Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a little experiment cutting some glass for the Ratson Rod. And this is not going to be a step-by-step. You can look on YouTube and find lots of videos on how to do this. Now this is the piece of glass that originally came out, and it's got a couple cracks in it. So this is just kind of a test piece to see how it goes. So the first thing you're supposed to do is cut the corner off of each side to relieve stress in it. I'm hoping these cracks that are in the windshield already don't mess things up, but we'll see how it goes. So put some oil on my cutter. Okay. Flip it over. Score right over the last one. Okay, I think it's cracked. Heat it up. Melt the laminate in between. I don't know if you can see it, but these cracks that were already in the windshield have caused problems already with the clean cut here. But I managed to get a piece off. I don't know if you can see it. These are the original cracks in the windshield, but this one here kind of strayed off. But we'll keep going. Do the other side. Got the two corner pieces off. Not very cleanly, but for a piece of glass that's all got cracks and weld splatter and stuff in it, it's probably about as good as can be expected. Now let's try and cut the long piece. Okay, so on YouTube they show a couple ways of doing this cut here. You can squirt it down with alcohol, which I'm going to try. Light it on fire. Okay. I guess it's burning. You can hardly see it, especially in these lights. You can see some flame here, some flame up there. It's so cold in here, I think I'm just gonna try and heat it all up with the torch. Alright, I got it cut. Not very successfully for an amateur. However, I don't know how much the cracks and pits and welding pits that were on the windshield already played into the fact that I didn't do such a good job. So these cracks, if you can see them, were the ones that were here originally. I managed to put a crack right here, and right here and here, and a couple little ones here, and the top edge is not the prettiest in the world. Okay, here it is in the car. I just have it sitting in the old rubber. I'll have to get a new piece. This gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, that's it for now. Just an experiment to see what it's going to look like. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching my channel.